Okay, for 9, they want us to solve the equation, so let's start. A, I have negative 2 times 4 minus 3x minus 6x equals 10. So we distribute the negative 2 in, right? So I get negative 8 plus 6x, negative times negative, minus 6x equals 10. These become 0, so I have negative 8 equals 10. And I say, when will negative 8 equal 10? Never, right? So this is no solution. There's no value of x that would make that equation true. For b, we have, okay, so for b, we have x minus 5 over negative 2 equals x minus 3 over negative 3. We cross multiply. So I have negative 3 times x minus 5 equals negative 2 times x minus 3. We distribute negative 3 times x is negative 3x, times negative 5 is plus 15. And here we have negative 2 times x is negative 2x, and then times, oh, this is a 1, right? This is a 1, not a 3. Okay, so we have, let me make that a little nicer, right? Okay, just because I wrote it wrong up above. So this was x minus 1, right? All right, so negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 1 is plus 2. Let's see, I could add 3x to both sides. Add 3x to both sides. And I get 15 equals, what's that, x plus 2. Subtract 2 from both sides. 13 equals x. So x equals 13 for B. Okay, next one.